Let's see if we can turn this radio-controlled car into Wi-Fi controlled car using nothing but my sheer lack of knowledge and a big abundance of confidence. So, apparently you need to be 8 years old or above 3 years old to operate this car. It can also turn 360 degrees and at the same time go forwards and backwards, so that's awesome. Okay, enough talking. Let's just break it apart and see what we find. So at this point, I pretty much realized I need to buy myself a new Raspberry Pi. Well, I mean, I don't need to, but I found this one. It has some 1 GHz processor. It has wireless Wi-Fi. Oh, well, hang on, Wi-Fi is always wireless. Also has HAT compatible, so I can add on some cards, and it has 512 megabytes of RAM, so that's nice. And it's also the form factor is perfect for this build. Apart from that, I also needed the extension board. So this is a motor controller called Moto Zero, which is compatible with the Raspberry Zero number 2 or version 2. So I just went ahead and ordered this because I realized without these parts, I'm not going to be able to make this work. I can't use my old Raspberries that I have laying around. And yeah, sorry about the voiceover and probably some echo and stuff. I've been having a cold for the last couple of days. I'm hoping that's going to go away until the next video. So right now I'm just waiting for the parts. I really need that motor controller and that juicy little Raspberry Pi Zero version 2. I'm really looking forward to that, and I'm going to figure out how to do the soldering, because apparently the soldering or the motor controller comes in a kit, and I've never soldered that much before, so that's probably going to be the next video. So if you want to check out something else that I made until my next Wi-Fi control video comes out, go ahead and check this out. And if you haven't already, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.